First step, creation of vendor account group. T code is OBD3. OBD3. Okay. Next, come through path. SPRO, IMG, financial accounting, account receivable and account payable, vendor accounts. First, we create master data. Preparation for creating vendors master data. Define account group with screen layout. Vendors account group with screen layout. Same screen. Click on new entries. Account group name Nava raw material group. Vendors for raw material. If you click on one time vendor, it is a one time account. If you click on one time account, he is a one time vendor. We not deal with regularly. So right now unselect this box one time vendor. Then double click on company code data and double click on account management. See this field, which fields are required and optional and display. Reconciliation account is required entry, select. Remaining is optional. Okay, click on save it. Data was saved. Vendors for raw material is created. Create another group also. I told vendors for raw material, vendor for spares and vendor for expenses and others. Right now we want to create vendor for raw material and only vendor for expenses. Okay, vendor for expenses. Click on double code on data. Click on next entry and give number NA expenses other expenses OE vendor for expenses and double click on company code data. Click on account management. Reconciliation account is required. Then save it. If you want to create another vendor account group, click on next entry. Follow same process. Next, numbers range for vendor account. Create number range for vendor account. T code is SK N1 slash n SK N1. Enter. Otherwise, you can come through path also. SPRO IMG. Financial accounting, account receivables and account payables, vendors account, master data, preparation for creating vendors master data, create number range for vendors account. After that, assign number range to vendor. Same screen. Click on intervals. See the number, which number is available. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 also created. 22, 21 to 45 is available. Create. See the number available here. I think 6500 to 10,000 is available. Insert line. 20, 5, 7,000 to 7,500. Click on save. Enter intervals without overlap. Already number is taken. Where is taken? Which number is available? Let's check it. To 6,000 to 6,500. 6,500 to 7,000. 6,501 to 6,600. This number also overlapped. 2,101 to 2,200. Yes, 2,100 to 2,200. Click on enter. The changes was saved. And give another number to vendors for expenses. Click on insert line 26. 26 2001 to 2300. Click on save. The changes was saved. Next, assign number to vendors account group. T code is OBAS. T code. See this. Assign number to vendors account group. T code is OBAS. Our group NARM. Vendors for expenses. Vendor for expenses. We created wrongly. Once. Wait. OB D3. NARM. It is not a vendor for raw material. Okay, I mistakenly entered that time. Next, select NA other expenses. Yes, this is same. Next, come to assign numbers to range to vendor account group. OBAS. Key is OBAS. NARM account group. Vendor account group is NARM. Here alert number 25. Click on save and NAOE 26. Click on save. Here we are linking account group and numbers range. Account group numbers range we linked. Next step, define the tolerance group for vendor. Define tolerance group for vendor. T code OBA3. T code is OBA3. Come through path. Financial accounting. Financial accounting account receivables and payables, business transactions, outgoing payments, manual outgoing payments. See here, define tolerance vendors. Define tolerance vendors. Tolerance vendors. T code is OBA3. T code OBA3. Click on define tolerance vendors. Create group. Company code. Nava blank tolerance group. Blank blank for tolerance group. Blank tolerance group for Nava. I lost the internet connection, just wait. T code OB A3. Click on no entries. Company code Nova. Tolerance group block. Blank tolerance group for Nava. And click on save. Why we created tolerance group? These are the upper limits below which the residual balances in the vendor account and payment differences are automatically transferred to or from revenue account or expenses account. For that purpose, we are created tolerance group. Okay, here we connected tolerance group to company code. Next, next, create inventory of raw material account. T code for creation of GL account /n fs 00. Inventory of raw material. Inventory of raw material is, what is inventory of raw material? It is asset or Liability. Inventory of raw material is balance sheet item. Asset. Asset next GL number is available 2006. Create 2006. Asset account. Balance sheet. Inventory of raw material. Click on control data. Balances in local currency. Line item display. Short key 001. Create bank. Field status G001. Click on save. Here we will create sundry creditors account also for reconciliation account. I want to explain here once. Sundry creditors. Actually, this is a reconciliation account. Sure. Account. Under this is a GL account. Under this account, there is many vendors X, Y, Z. For reconciliation of this all vendors, we created sundry vendors, sundry creditors. Okay. What is reconciliation account? It is the control account maintained in the general ledger to post all business transactions affected in the subledger account, that is vendor accounts. These are subledger accounts. It is used to know the total amount of vendors payable by the company at any point of time. The figures to represented in the balance sheet is taken from this account. You cannot post directly into those accounts. Okay. What is reconciliation account? Sundry creditors account, raw material X, raw material Y, payment to vendor Y, net balance will come. Okay. The XYZ is a vendors. It is a sundry creditors account is reconciliation of XYZ accounts. So it is a JL account. This is vendors accounts. Okay. Let's see. Create. How to create reconciliation account, that is sundry creditors account. Sundry creditors. What is liability? Liability next GL number is available 03004 3004. Liability. Sundry. Creditors account. And click on Control tab. Don't select only balances in local currency. It is a reconciliation account, so don't select it. Here is vendor account. Line item display. Short key is 012. 012 means, see this, 012 is vendor number. Click create bank interest. This one 067. Reconciliation account. This is reconciliation account. Okay, click on save. Sundry creditors account created. We have created inventory of raw material account and sundry creditors account. Okay, now what is pending for posting? Vendor master record. We also create vendor master record. T code is SK01. SK01. How to create vendor master record directly? Accounting, financial accounting, account payable, master records. See here, create vendor. Account group. What is account group? NA, RM. Give company code, account group, create vendor record, company, Wipro. Our vendor is Wipro. House number 56, postal code 569, country India, region Telangana, and postal code 57. Mobile number, give any mobile number, email id wipro soft @ wipro.com. Okay, then save it, click on enter, give all details, tax numbers and tax type, personal subject withholding tax. Okay, click on next screen. See this, bank enter bank details, give bank details of vendor. You can give India, HDFC 0022, bank account number, account holder Wipro, bank control key HD, this bank partner bank type. Okay, next screen, bank name HDFC Telangana, SR Nagar, Hyderabad, SR Nagar branch, IFSC code, bank number something, click on enter, contact person details, contact person Raju, first name SN Raju, his first name and last name Raju B, R Balu, and click on next screen, click on next screen, reconciliation account, reconciliation account. What is reconciliation account? Sundry creditors is a reconciliation account. Wipro. Short key. Vendors 012. Here cash management group. Domestic payments. A1. If it is a foreign payments, A2. Click on next screen. Tolerance group block and check double invoice. Check double invoice. By selecting this indicator, the system verifies if any invoice is posted two times and give warning message by comparing the invoice number and amount of the invoice. Okay, Next, click on save. Vendor 2101 was created in company code now. Okay, create another vendor also under the same group, raw material group. Click on enter. Title company, this time ITC. 50, postal code 5000, India, region Andhra Pradesh 01, Andhra Pradesh, postal code 220, 5000, mobile number and a mail itc at the rate of itc.com. Click on next screen. Fill, if you know any tax information, fill here, and a person subject with a holding tax here. Next screen, this is bank details of vendor, contracting person details. This is reconciliation account. What is reconciliation account? Reconciliation account is sundry creditors account. Short key 12, management group, cash management group. Why we select this cash management group? This is also called planning group, because it is mandatory that every vendor should be assigned with one planning group. This information is used by the cash planning department for purpose of arranging the funds. Okay, purpose of arranging funds. Next, next screen. Check double invoice. I forgot previously giving this payment. Payment terms. First, ignore this payment terms. With terms, at the place of terms, I will explain this. Okay, then save it. 2102 was created in company code now. We created two accounts. One is Wipro vendor and ITC vendor. Okay, next, change vendors master record. Check. Change display block unblock and set deletion indicator and display changes one by one. Let's check it. Whatever information do you want change, click on that. I want to change address, click on address. House number I want to change, give 65 and click on save. Display vendors master record. Next one, come to display changes. FK04, company code Nava, changes from 14 to 2002. I change the state, previously 50, now 65. Come back and display vendor master record 2102. What information do you want? I want all information. See this information and a next screen for checking vendor's master record. Come back. Block and unblock 2012. Block all company code or specified company code. Okay. If you want to block and save it. Enter save. If you want to unblock, unselect, enter save it. Set deletion indicator. Deletion flag for all areas. If you want, select this all areas. You can delete. Select for only for one company. Select this. If you want to delete all data of vendor or general information. If you want only deletion of general information, delete general information. If you want to delete only company code including general data, total information, select this and click and enter. Enter and save. Come back. We created sundry creators, created vendors group and numbers range, tolerance, sundry creators and vendors. Vendors we created. Now documents for passing the entries. Documents KZ. KZ is a payment. KR is invoice. K is other vendor document. Now what we do? Now allot numbers range for this document. Allot numbers range for the documents. Okay. Next, numbers range. Numbers range. T code is OBA7. T code OBA7. Click on position. First invoice KR. Vendors invoice. Double click on KR. Numbers range is 01 is automatically allotted. Remove that and change number range. Now click on intervals and insert create numbers range for vendor invoice, that is purchase invoice. Give number 19 2021. Which number is available up to we created 2000. Now 2001 to 2500. Click on save. Number is 19. We will add that number here. Okay, click on save. Next document, here KZ vendors payment. Click on KZ. Number switch. Defaultly number is taken by KZ is 15. You can delete or you can create for same number. Now insert line 15 2021 25012 3000. Click on save. Date changes for data was saved. Come back. Next document is KA vendor other documents. Vendor documents. KA. Defaultly they taken 17. 17 is available here. Insert a line 17 2021 up to 3000 we have created 3001 to 3500. Click on save. Enter. Okay. Next, post one document. See this? We done configurations. We have done configurations. Next, we will pass entry. This is end user. Until this is a consultant work. Now, see end user. End user. Path for passing entries: accounting, financial accounting, account payables, document entry, invoice FB 50. For passing vendors invoice, T code is FB 60. See this. If any error came at the time of passing the entries, take screenshot, send to consultant. They will rectify. If you are end user, if you are consultant, take the screenshot and rectify and send back to end user. Okay. Vendors. One minute. Here wrong. Change company code. Now click on enter. Now tax solutions Hyderabad. Click on vendor. We have two vendors, ITC and Wipro. First Wipro. Invoice date 1. So 01. Paper. Amount we purchased for 2 lakhs. Just for 2 lakhs. Test. inventory entry purchased, entry purchased from whom? JL account. What is the entry for inventory purchases? Inventory account are to vendor account. Inventory is debited and vendor account is credited. So inventory of raw material, debit amount 2 lakhs, being inventory purchased. Okay, simulate the entry. Net net due date on 1 to is past, that is term. Click on simulate. See this 3140. In case of vendor, debit is 25 and credit is 31. Posting keys. Twenty-five, 31. 31 is credit, 40 is debit. Inventory of raw material account are to Wipro Limited. Okay, based on this codes, see this 40 is debit, credit, sorry, 40 is debit, 31 is credit. Okay, come back. Directly post. Document 2001 was posted in the company code. Now check the vendor line item display. Next, now we have posted one document. Check vendor's line item. T code is, check vendor line item. T code is FBL1N. Open item. If you know the vendor account number, enter vendor account number. Otherwise, one item display. See this overdue. Due date is 1 to immediately 1 to 2022 defaultly. So it is opening. We not paid till now. Being inventory is purchased. Okay. Open due, because today is second February. Next, line item display. Next, see the display the vendor account balance. Slash n. T code is FK10N. SQL. Wipro. Wipro T code is 210. SQL. See the balance of Wipro. 2 lakhs. This is See the sundry creditors reconciliation account. Sundry creditors. This is vendor account. Now see the sundry creditors total reconciliation. Slash n fs 10n. This is gl slash n 10n. See the reconciliation number. Where is sundry creditors? 3004. Click on execute. Sundry creditors GL 304. It automatically updated in this account. KR invoice 2 lakhs. It is open item. Okay. Next, post payment. Post payment. Click on outgoing payment. T code is F-53. F-53. Document date 1/02/02. Posting date also 02/02. Type KZ period 11 Nava INR. Test. Amount paid against purchase of from Wipro. Account bank account. From which bank we are paying? HDFC current account. Next, how much amount? 2 lakhs. We are paying full amount. Account. Who is the vendor? Vendor is Wipro. Okay. Click on process open items. Process open item. Every time you must see not assigned column is must be 0. Okay. Simulate. Document overview. Open process item. See this, double click on amount and double click. Okay. Okay. Post it. Then post. Document 2501 was posted in company code Nava. Display. HDFC current account. Sorry. See Wipro account or to HDFC current account. See the posting keys. 25 vendor account posting is 31 is credit, 25 is debit. GL account 40 is debit, 50 is credit. So vendor account or to HDFC current account 2 lakhs 2 lakhs. Okay. Now check balances in vendor line item. T code FB LIN L1N. No item is selected. Clearing item is cleared. 2001 KR 2 lakhs. 2501 document number for KZ. KZ means payment 2 lakhs. It is cleared. See the FS10N. Sundry creditors account. Debit, credit, balance is nil. Next, part payment. Here we paid full payment. Next, part payment. First pass the one pass invoice FB60. Vendor this time ITC. Take ITC. Invoice date. Take 11. Posting also 01. Amount 2 lakhs. Test being inventory is purchased. What is the entry for goods purchased? Inventory account or to vendor account. Inventory number 2006. Once check it. 2006 debit document amount 2 lakhs. Test being inventory is purchased. Simulate. Defaultly they taken immediate due date. Ignore that message. Simulate. ITC inventory of raw material. What is the entry? Inventory of raw material to ITC. See the posting keys 40 31. 31 is credit, 40 is debit. Post 2002 was posted in company code Nova. Post part payment. Come back. See this part payment F-53 payment outgoing payments document date 2 2 being amount paid against purchases from ITC amount only 1 lakh. Sorry, account number, bank account number, HDFC current account 1 lakh amount, ITC. Account, vendor account. Who is vendor? ITC. Okay. Click on process open items. Click on partial payments. Not assigned column must be a 0. Net amount, double click on net amount. Payment 1 lakh. Payment amount 1 lakh. Not assigned column is 0. We are paying only 1 lakh, net amount is 2 lakhs. Then click on post. 2502 was posted, company code. Display. See this. ITC account to HDFC account 1 lakh 1 lakh. Okay. Next. See the display line item. We paid half amount. So line item closed or not? Let's check it. OB L1 and account number 2. Open item. See this. KR KZ 1 lakh is spending. Here, if you see here, both are open items. Showing both are open items. Next, pay remaining amount. Pay remaining amount. Come back. Come back. Pay the remaining amount. F-53. Third. 03. Test. ITC 204. Amount 1 lakh. 2102. And click on open item. Partial payment. Click on post. 2503 was posted. See the simulate. Sorry. See display. ITC account to HDFC. Now see the line item. No items are selected for open items because it is cleared. Now see this. 2 lakhs, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Symbol is changed. Cleared. Okay.